Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can reopen the Snapchat which you have already viewed. So over here my friend Abhinav has sent me a snap. If I open and see it, and I can review it again. But once I open it one time, I have a 10-second window, and within that 10-second window only I can reopen it. After that 10 seconds has passed, I cannot reopen the snap which he has sent me. Alright, so you can only reopen a snap which you have already viewed within 10 seconds, and you can only do it one time. Alright, so you need to be very quick. So let me show you guys how we guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. So I view his snap one time. Okay, it's done. So over here I go inside. Now I need to hold over here so I can replay it. Once I hold on it, there's a replay button. Click on replay. Now I can view it again, but this is the final time. Now I click on it to view it. Now it's done. Now as you guys can see, now I cannot view it again. You only have one chance to view a snap. After that it's over. Alright, so let me just send a snap to me again to show you guys. I'm gonna send myself a snap over here. So I click on it, so a snap has been sent to me. Now I can watch it one more time. Now I go inside and click on hold, click on replay, and I can view it again, but that's the final time I can do it. After that I cannot view the story again. So yeah, that's how we guys can reopen a Snapchat which you have already opened. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.